Welcome to QuikHalal, the mobile auditing apps that helps auditors to prepare, plan, execute, and produce halal audit reports. In this video, we will guide you on how to start an audit using QuikHalal step by step. First, log into your QuikHalal account. Then choose your module, premise, and company size. Once you are in, your page will display Audit section. Tap on Start Audit button. Now you will directly see all the checklists. You can review each checklist and tick the square icon on the left of each checklist. If comply, green and tick symbol will appear, but if not comply, red and cross symbol will appear. If the checklists are not relevant for your audit, go to three-dot icon and tap on Not Applicable. The checklist will be hide. Do not leave the checklist empty because it will lead to non-conformance. If you want to see other section of the checklist, tap on gray upside-down triangle symbol. Now you can choose any section of the checklist during your audit, or you also can swipe the screen on the left side to see the others checklist based on section. Once you've finished review and check all the checklists by labeling as comply, or not applicable, go to Finish Audit section, tap Save button to save your audit, and got to Home page or Next button to proceed with Summary page. After click Next button, it will display Summary page. The pie chart is a summary of the compliance and non-compliance of the checklist. The different color of the pie chart refer to the different levels of non-conformity. In this page, you can review the non-conformance checklist or edit the non-conformance. In Summary pages, there are several functions available. You can tap on Continue Audit button if need to continue the auditing process. Tap on Notes button to write comments or feedback for the auditee. In Generate Pre-Report, you can view informal reports. If you are satisfied with your audit, you can tap Next button. You will be directly to signature pages. In this pages, the signature from both parties are needed as a proof that the auditing process has been completed. Write your auditee name and role. Select plus icon if need to add more auditees. Once completed, tap on Generate Report button. That's it. Now your report has been generated in PDF format. Log in to QuikHalal now and simplify your halal auditing journey. Visit www.holisticslab.my to know more about our apps.